snoring last night.
Yeah, he started snoring real loud. I can't do it because of my nose, but he started snoring real loud. And you started snoring. I was like, great. So then he started getting louder, and you started getting louder. And I was like, oh my God.
We got that from our mom.
No me.
She snores. Hey, Luz. Hi.
Hello, people.
Tell that nigga I said I'm gonna kick his motherfucking ass. I'm gonna kick his ass.
It's a sort of choice.
Look at that tooth.
This bed. Go over there. Look at that empty bed.
No.
No.
Come on, Luz, jump in.
Ay, qué exagerado.
Love you.
I love you too.
So beautiful.
You're so beautiful.
So beautiful, Rose. Stupid Rose.
You're so stupid, bro. You're so stupid.
Oh,
Go ahead, leave it.